Valley #1 fans watching. Woo! That's real high.
Coming up wide on this wall here.
Yeah, am I waiting for you back there, up here, or are you gonna catch a ride? Someone's with the back. On it right now. Up towards the end, pick it up.
had to stop.
Alright, so you guys saw a lot of the footage, or the footage that we got. You know, again, shout out to everybody that helps take videos, pictures. You know, it's hard to get pictures and videos of yourself wheeling, so it's always nice to have everyone else in the group taking pictures and videos for you, and then afterwards we all swap it back and forth. Me, Brad, and Kenzie are always pretty much together, so we use Quick Share on our Android phone, Samsungs. Basically do a high-speed Wi-Fi swap, so end of the day or whatever, we can easily swap the videos and pictures back and forth doing that, or everyone else will set up like a Google Drive and drop and save all the files and videos there. It just takes a while. So yeah, awesome weekend down here, Jellicoe area, Tackett Creek, awesome trails. Big shout out to Paul and Carrie with Discover 4x4 Adventures for leading us on the adventure all weekend. Awesome. Let's take a look at the rigs here. So happy to report the Explorer did amazing. There's only one spot that I had to use my winch, which was kind of stupid. We were kind of in a hurry, so I didn't want to take up any more time. But I basically had a rock, rear diff, front diff, and I could go back and forth 3 inches. So by the time it would take 15 minutes to get out of there, we just pulled real quick and got me out. Other than that, did not have to winch. Did some extreme obstacles. Super happy. Only damage, I must have had a little root or something sticking out that I didn't see, but it's driver's side and I don't remember how that happened, so but it's not like a crease. I think I can push it out from the inside. But that is luckily my only damage to report. Looking underneath, everything else is good to go. I don't see any damage. I mean, I've hit the control arms here once in a while, but it's part of the game. But like I said, truck is amazing. Love it. Brad's truck with his new 40s, he rocked out. Brad, just whole different guy, whole different truck. This truck sits and performs so well with these wheels being the offset that they are, and the 40s. I mean, it's just night and day. So all right, if you guys enjoyed the video and all the pictures and stuff on all of our pages, again, check out Build It, Wheel It, Explore It, my page, as well as Riding Shotgun Adventures. They're Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and also Discover 4x4 Adventures. So yeah, catch you guys in the next video.